I just got my hands on the Elite Gourmet EG808 non-stick electric skillet, and it's a game changer in my kitchen. This skillet heats up quickly and evenly, making cooking a breeze. The non-stick surface means I can whip up my favorite dishes without worrying about them sticking or burning. Whether I'm frying up some crispy bacon or sautéing veggies, cleanup is a snap, just pop it in the dishwasher. What I love most is the adjustable temperature control. I can simmer sauces or sear meats to perfection. Plus, the spacious design allows me to cook larger meals for family gatherings. It's lightweight, easy to store, and the sleek design fits right in with my kitchen decor. If you're looking for a versatile cooking tool that delivers consistent results, the Elite Gourmet EG808 is definitely worth considering. Order now by now link in the description.